Hey everyone, this is my guide on how to paint glowing green lenses. This is a very easy OSL effect that can be created. You only need 4 colors for this, and the first step I'm using Warpstone Glow. So all I'm doing for this step is just blocking in the lens itself. So on the next part of this, we are just using a glaze mix of Warpstone Glow, and what I'm doing here is just taking my time and glazing just below the lens and up into the lens. So currently I'm just using a very small brush, and I've just mixed in some water. All I'm doing is taking my time and just going slowly glazing upwards into the lens. This is what's going to create that glowing effect when all the higher, brighter points have been added in. For this next step, I am just using Moot green and I am layering over the lens. After this, I am going to be doing the edge highlighting of the lower lens, so where the light will be catching that lower lens on the mask. So with OSL, you don't want to make anything brighter or as bright as the brightest point. So the brightest point is going to be the center of the lens. We don't want to make the edge highlights any brighter than that or as bright. So this is just going to stick with Moot green. Within this video itself, I do actually go back over it just because the initial, as you can see here, it's not as bright as I wanted it to be, and I don't edge highlight it the best in the first go, so I do come back to it at the end. For this next part, I do a mixture. Well, it's 3 mixtures here, and I gradually build up. So this is a mixture of Moot green and ice yellow. So I tend to use AK ice yellow. However, you can use whatever ice yellow you want. I just like the strength of the ice yellow, and all I'm doing here is a 75 to 25% mix of Moot green and ice yellow, and then I go on to 50-50 mix of Moot green and ice yellow, and then I do a 25 to 75 mixture of Moot green and ice yellow, and all I'm doing is just layering over the lens. So for this, I obviously like to build up. I don't like to just go straight in with a 75 to 25 mixture of Moot green. You can just do one, which would be a 50-50 if you want to. However, I like to do that slowly, just build up. And on to the last one, you just do a pure dot of ice yellow over the lens, and that is how you build up the brightest point. Just remember, with each layer that you do want to leave a little bit of the previous mixture in, just so you do get that gradual build up and it looks a little bit smoother. For the final steps of this, all you need to do is create a glaze of the fluorescent green and then just put it over the lens, the main lens that is, and then that will make the lens pop, and then all the previous layers will start to come together and it will give it a really nice glowing effect. Obviously doing a Dark Angel's helmet has not really made the green pop that much. Maybe I'll try a different color next time. It's just I had these ready to go, so I figured I might as well just try it. However, the final step after this is just adding a dot of ice yellow, which you'll see in a moment, and then that will bring the highest point out again, and basically that will be complete. And as I mentioned previously, I also went over the edge highlight just because there is a slight, I wasn't very happy with the edge highlight of the Moot green. Yeah, again, you just have to judge by what you've painted so far. I was unhappy with it, so I just went over it again. But that is it. I hope you guys like the effect, and I hope you liked the video. If you got any video suggestions, then please leave a comment and I'll take a look. Obviously, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.